everyone. My name is Kayode Ojebode, and you are welcome to DigiSmart Concept. Today we are going to be learning how to create 2D logo within few minutes using a particular site called renderforest. So you will head towards your browser and you will type renderforest.com and then search. So when you do so, it's going to take you to this page. And on this page, what you just need to do is to click on Get Started. So when you do so, this particular form will pop up and then you click on Logo. So when you click on Logo, it's going to take you to a page. Now here, you could write your brand name and then click on Get My Logo, and it's going to generate it for you by itself. No hassle, no without any sweat. But that is not what we are going to do. We want to create our own logo so that we can edit it to our own taste. So we come here and click Start Creating. So when we go down, we'll see that Start Creating button, then we'll click on it. So when we do so, it's going to take us to a page where we can write our brand name, and then we can start the whole process of creating a logo. Okay? So let's see. Start creating. Okay, it is loading. So it will take you to that page, and then you have your company name. Your company name is your brand name. So just write. For me, I'm writing DigiSmart. I expect that everyone should have, by now, everyone should have a brand name. So this is DigiSmart Concept. That's my own brand name, and then I'll click on Next. So when I do so, it's going to take me to where I'll have different styles to pick from. Different styles. So I will scroll down to see the one I prefer. Okay. Oh, I think I prefer this, thematic alphabetical. Then I'll click on Next after selecting that. So when I do so, it will now generate for my brand different logo. So I can pick one of them and then start editing it. So that is why I said, if you need a quick logo to be created, this is a great site for you to do so. Oh, I think I prefer this one. So I will click on it, and then I will click on Edit and Download. Down your right. So let's see what we have. Okay, edit and download. Let's see what that will give us. Alright, good. So it has taken us to this place. With all the buttons you have there, you can change the color to whatever you like. Okay, let me say I want to change this one to say yellow. I can do that, and it's going to give you something like this when you go back. Okay, so you can do a whole lot with the editing button that you have there. Okay, and then you can have let's say, okay, I don't like this text style. Let me look for something that is a bit smart. Okay, I think I prefer this one. So I will click on Go Back and see it. Okay, let me reduce the size a little. I'll click on Adjust. Increase the size a little. Oh, okay, this is good. Click on Done. Okay, I think I prefer this. So after I have done, I will hit the download button for it to download. And then once it downloads, you can have to click on Download again. And then it will help you keep the logo in your file. So if you want it downloaded to your gallery, then you click on Download again. So this is where my projects are stored, and so I will have my logo with transparent background. This is my logo now with transparent background, and I like it this way because with transparent background I can use it on any graphic designs. It will perfectly match. So I'll click on Download in order to download it to my gallery, and once that is done, then I can share it. Download again, click on Download again, and then open it. That's how it looks like. Oh, see, this is beautiful. So you can click on this icon to share to the WhatsApp group. So that is how to actually create your 2D logo. I hope you are finding this very, very interesting. So do give it a try with your own brand name and see how creative and beautiful the logo will look like. See you on the other side.